Good morning students. Welcome you all for online learning session. Today we are going to start maths lesson number 6 indices standard 7. So students, this is very easy lesson. What is indices? See, an indices there will be a what base and index. What is base? If I write number like this form, see 5 raised to 4. So this 5 is called base and this 4 is called index, or we can say what? Power. For example, if we multiply 2 by how many times? 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times here 2 is multiplied by 8 times. So it means 2 is base and how many times? 8 times. So 8 is the power, or we can say index. This is index and this is base. Remember it. This is called what? In indices we will learn about this. So here 2 is the called what? Base and 8 what? The index or the exponent. When a number like in this form, it means this number will be multiplied by this time. जो भी नंबर यहाँ पे होगा उसका पावर, इफ द पावर विल बी 2, so it means 2 multiply by 2 times. If the index is 4, it means 2 multiply by 4 times. Understood? So this is called times. What? Number of times. So here this we called power also. The first power of any number is that number itself. For example, like this 7 raised to 1. And how we can read this 7 raised to 1? Or we can say first power of 7. It means 7 raised to 1 means what? 7 multiplied by only one time. That means it number itself. 10 raised to 1. It means 10. Clear? So let's start our practice set 26. Complete the table below. See here, indices numbers in index form. This is called what? Index form. First one is what? 3. How we will read this number? 3 raised to 4. Or we can read fourth power of 3. Okay. So here which is base? 3 is what? Base. So it has written in this column. And index is what? 4. So in index column there is mentioned what? 4. It means 3 multiplied by how many times? Base is 3 and index is what? 4. It means 3 multiplied by how many times? 4 times. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now multiplied 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. So value will be 81. Next, 16 raised to 3. What is base? 16 is what? Base. And what is index? Index is 3. Then multiplication form, 16 multiply by 16 multiply by 16. How many times? 3 times. Now multiplied. So it will be 5, 6, 9, 6. When you multiplied 3 times of 16, so you will get 5, 6, 9, 6. Next is what? See, base is given, index is also given, but indices is not given, and we have to find that one. So base is given, so first we will write what? Base minus 8. And index is what? 2. So write the power of what? Write the power 2. It means minus in multiplication form, what we will do? Minus 8 multiply by minus 8. 8 8s are 64. Minus minus plus. So no need to write the minus sign, because minus minus will be plus. Say this one. Multiplication form. 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7. Value is also given. We have to write the index and base. How many times of 3 upon 7? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 3 upon 7. How many times? 4 times. Whole 3 upon 7 4 times. What is base? Base is 3 upon 7. This is what? Base. And power means what? कितनी बार वो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, और उसके ऊपर जो है वो इंडेक्स, ये इसको पावर भी बोलते हैं और इंडेक्स भी बोलते हैं. सो दिस विल बी 4. सी -13 raised to 4. Base is what? -13. And index is what? 4. Now what we will do in multiplication form? -13 bracket multiply by -13 multiply by -13 multiply by -13. Now multiplied, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Answer will be in plus form. And write the what answer? Value. 13 multiply by 13. Then 13 multiply by what you will get the answer? Multiply by 13. Then what will you get the answer? Multiplied by 13 again. Then you can find the value. This is your homework. Now question number 2. Find the value. First is what is given. Here we have to find the value only. No need to write this one. But we have to write this one. Why? Because of this we will find the value. See here. 2 raised to 10. It means multiply by how many times? 2? 10 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, here is power what? 10. That's why we will multiply by how many times? 10 times. 2 10 times. Now multiply it. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 13 to the 64, 64 to the 128, 128 to the 256, then 256 to the 512, then 512 into 512 to the 1024. So value is what? 1024. Next. So -7 raised to 4. -7 multiply by -7 multiply by -7 multiply by -7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. 343 sevens are 2401. 2401. But what will be the sign? See here, minus minus plus. Plus minus minus. Minus minus plus. So answer will be in which form? Plus form. Next, -6 raised to what? 3. It means multiply by how many times? 3 times. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 36. 3 carry. 6 3 are 18. 19 20 21. 216. 216. But we will see the sign also. Minus minus plus. Plus minus minus. So sign will be what? Minus. Next, 4 upon 5 multiply by how many times? 3 times. 4 upon 5 multiply by 4 upon 5 multiply by 4 upon 5. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Only this much you have to do. See the sixth one. 8 raised to 1. It means 8 multiply by what? We will write only one time, because power is what? Only 1. So answer will be 8 only. Next, -1 upon 2 raised to 4. Minus 1 multiply by -1 upon 2 multiply by -1 upon 2 multiply by -1 upon 2 multiply by -1 upon 2. 4 times. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. It means 1. Minus minus plus. Plus minus minus. minus minus plus. This means what? Answer in which form? Plus form. Upon 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 1 upon 16. Have you understood? So you have to complete it in your notebook. If you want to make bracket in this form, so you can write it. Now see, we have completed this practice set. See, square and cube. What is square? If the power is 2, if any base of power is 2, so we can say what? Square. What we have read? 3 raised to 2 means what? Is read as 3 raised to 2 or 3 squared or the square of 3. ओके, कोई भी नंबर का अगर पावर इंडेक्स 2 होगा तो आप उसको स्क्वायर ऑफ दैट नंबर बोल सकते हो, लाइक 3 स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर ऑफ 3, लाइक दिस फॉर्म. और अगर कोई नंबर का पावर 3 होगा, इंडेक्स 3 होगा, सो आप इसको कैसे बोल सकते हो? जैसे क्या बोलते हो? 5 इज रेज्ड एज व्हाट? 5 रेज्ड टू 3. 5 की पावर क्या है? 3 है. 5 रेज्ड टू 3. और वी कैन से 5 क्यूब्ड और द क्यूब ऑफ 5. 5 क्यूब और क्यूब ऑफ 5. रिमेंबर इट. The second power of any number is the square of that number. The third power of any number is the cube of that number. Note it. This is very very important points. These 2 points is very important. If the power is what? Second or 2, so it means the square of that number. The third power of any number, it means the cube of that number. Now we will move on to the next practice set. Practice set 27. Before going to start that practice set, we have to understand this important point. If a is a rational number and m and n are positive integers, then a raised to m into a raised to n. See, a की पावर क्या है? m है. a जो है वो रैशनल नंबर है और a की पावर क्या है? m है. और यहाँ पे a की पावर क्या है? n है. बट देखो, बेस जो है वो सेम है. इन बोथ द नंबर्स बेस इज सेम and there will be multiply sign between them. It means their powers will be add. Got it? इसका मतलब क्या होगा? अगर बेस सेम है तो उनके पावर को क्या करेंगे? ऐड करेंगे. जब बेस सेम है उनके बीच में मल्टीप्लाई की साइन है. अंडरस्टूड? सो a raised to m plus n. This formula is very very important. You have to learn it very well. Write it in your notebook, these points which I have marked you. Okay, so practice set 27. Now what we have learned? The formula a raised to m multiply by a raised to n. See, when the base is same, only that time we have to add their powers m plus n. जब बेस सेम होगा तो ही उनके पावर प्लस हो गए, बीच में मल्टीप्लाई की साइन रहेगी. क्यों? मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. 7 raised to 4. इसको इतना बड़ा नहीं करना है, लेकिन आपको मैं एक क्वेश्चन अच्छे फॉर्म में बता रही हूँ, डीपली समझा कर. 7 raised to 4. हम लोग ने क्या सीखा है? 7 raised to 4 मीन्स वॉट? 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 4 टाइम्स. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 4 टाइम्स. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 raised to 2. 7 into 7. Clear? So when we write this in indices form, how we will read this? How we will write this number? 7 multiply by how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times. So we can write like this form, 7 raised to 6. अंडरस्टूड? कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है? 7 टोटल. यहाँ पे देखो, इसको आपको वैल्यू नहीं निकालना है, उसका पावर से बता देना है कितना है? 6 है. ये आपको मैंने डीपली समझाया है. अगर आपको ये समझ में आता है तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज़ हमको इस फॉर्मूले के बेस पे करना है. देखो, और मैं आपको 2 तरीके बता रही हूँ. a raised to m multiply by a raised to n is equals to what? m plus n. So now we will solve this question by this method. Base is same, 7 is same, so we will write only one time, and m plus n, their powers will be added. So 4 plus 2, only that much you have to do. 4 plus 2, their powers will be added. So 7, 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 7 raised to 6, both the answer will be same. See, you can see. Have you understood? 7 raised to 6. अगर आप ऐसे भी मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो भी यही आएगा, बट आप अगर फॉर्मूले के बेस पे जाके करोगे तो इट विल बी वेरी easy and you can understand it. See the second one. Minus 11 raised to 5 multiply by minus 11 raised to 2. What we will do? We will write minus 11 only one time. Correct? Then powers are what? 5 and 2, because base is same. So we will what? Add their powers. 5 plus 2. So minus 11 raised to 5 plus 2 is what? 7. Only this much you have to do. Same thing you have to do in this question. Fourth one. Minus 3 upon 2 raised to 5 into minus 3 upon 2 raised to 3. Base is same. Minus 3 upon 2 you have to write it. Then powers will be added. 5 plus 3. It means minus 3 upon 2 raised to 8. Complete it in your notebook. A raised to 16 multiply by A raised to 7. Now I am going to do this one and this one. See. Fifth one. A raised to 16 multiply by A raised to 7. What we will do? We will write base only one time and their powers will be added. So 16 plus 7. A raised to 16 plus 7 is what? 23. Sixth one. Is it easy? P upon 5 raised to 3 multiply by P upon 5 raised to 7. First we will see base is same. Yes, base RD was same. So P upon 5, then powers added. Then P upon 5 raised to 3 plus 7 is what? 10. Write it in your notebook. And one question is for your homework, which I have explained you. Now see the division of indices with the same base. Now we have done the what? Multiplication of what? Same base. We will see how to divide with the same base. See, base is same, 6 and 6, and there will be what? If there will be divide sign, so what we will do? Same thing we have to do. 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2. It means 6 multiplied by how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, because power is 4. And here power of 6 is what? 2. So we will multiply only 2 times. Now divide it. 6 will be cut. 6 and 6 will be cut. What is remaining? 6 into 6. So 6 into 6, it means how many times 6 is remaining? 2 times. So 6 raised to 6. This is what? First method which you have to understood. But by the formula, what we will do? 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2. It means if the base is same, so you have to subtract the powers. What we will do? Subtract the powers. If A raised to m divided by A raised to n, so power is same. So A m, मैंने क्या बोला आपको? सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे इसके पावर्स को, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डिवाइड की साइन है, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया था? कट किया था. सो m माइनस n. अगर मल्टीप्लाई की साइन है तो उसके पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगे? ऐड हो जाएंगे. बट अगर डिवाइड की साइन है तो उसके पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगे? सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे. और नहीं समझ में आता है तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. सो 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2. So 6 raised to 4 minus 2, 6 raised to 2. Both the answer will be same. Now, if A is non-zero rational number, m and n are positive integers, then n m greater than n. क्या बोल रहा है ये कि अगर a जो है वो नॉन ज़ीरो रैशनल नंबर है, फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक दिस हियर a रेज टू m अपॉन a रेज टू n, ये तो अभी हमारा हो गया है कि क्या हमने क्या किया, उसके पावर्स को माइनस कर दिया. द मीनिंग ऑफ a रेज टू ज़ीरो, अगर a रेज टू ज़ीरो होगा तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, a रेज टू ज़ीरो इज इक्वल्स टू 1. जस्ट कॉपी इट इन योर नोटबुक. दीज formulas or these rules are very very important. This one and this one second, this one a रेज टू ज़ीरो. अगर कोई भी नंबर के ऊपर उसका पावर ज़ीरो है तो उसका आंसर सिर्फ आपको 1 ही लिखना है. अगर मैं लिखूँगी 7 रेज टू ज़ीरो तो आप क्या लिखोगे, 1, सिर्फ 1 लिखोगे, 7 वगैरह कुछ नहीं डालोगे. अगर मैं लिखूँगी 25 रेज टू ज़ीरो, 25 रेज टू ज़ीरो क्या होगा, आंसर विल बी 1. क्लियर? क्यों होगा 1? क्योंकि देखो इफ़ a इज़ ज़ीरो दैट मीन्स नॉट इक्वल टू ज़ीरो, सो a रेज टू m एंड अपॉन a रेज टू m इट विल बी कट, सो आंसर विल बी ओनली 1. m माइनस m इज़ वॉट, ज़ीरो. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, a रेज टू माइनस m. इफ देयर इज माइनस in power there is a minus sign, it means 1 upon a raised to m. This you have to learn it properly and clearly understand. A raised to minus m is what, 1 upon a m, a raised to m आपको 1 upon में लेना है. ठीक है, just understand this. 5 upon 3 raised to minus 1, अगर ऐसे अपॉन फॉर्म में है और उसका पावर माइनस m है. अगर यहाँ पे कोई नंबर ऐसा होता 7 रेज टू माइनस 1 या 7 रेज टू माइनस 2, सो कैसे लिखते हैं, 1 अपॉन 7 रेज टू 2, यानी माइनस की साइन हटा देंगे और उसको 1 अपॉन में डाल देंगे, बाकी उसका पावर जो है वो एज इट इज़ रहेगा. अगर मैं लिखूँगी 36 रेज टू माइनस 4, अगर पावर माइनस फॉर्म में है तो कैसे करोगे, 1 अपॉन लिख दोगे और उसकी पावर प्लस फॉर्म में कर दोगे ऐसे नीचे. अब अगर ऐसे रहेगा 5 अपॉन 3 रेज टू माइनस 1, सो कैसे लिखोगे, हम लोगों ने क्या सीखा, 1 अपॉन क्या लिखेंगे, 5 अपॉन 3, करेक्ट, ऐसे लिखेंगे और उसकी पावर क्या है 1. अगर हम लोग इसको डिवाइड फॉर्म में ले रहे 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 अपॉन 3, तो इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स क्या होगा, 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय क्या हो जाएगा 3 अपॉन 5, तो आंसर क्या आएगा, खाली 3 अपॉन 5. यानी इसको उल्टा कर देना है आपको, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स कर देना है जब ऐसे माइनस में रहेगा तो. अंडरस्टूड? सी प्रैक्टिस सेट 28, a रेज टू 6 डिवाइडेड बाय a रेज टू 4, विच वी हैव लर्न दिस just now. We have learned about this. Base is same and how to divide this powers. What we will do, we will write the power base only one time and subtract their power. A raised to 6 minus 4, it means a raised to 2. See the second one, m raised to 5 divided by m raised to 8. See, same thing we have to do, m 5 minus 8, it means m raised to, see 5 minus 8, it means 8 is greater than 5, so answer will be in which form, negative form, m minus 3. See the third one, p raised to 3 divided by p raised to 13, that means p 3 minus 13, so p raised to 3 minus 13 is what, 13 is greater than 3, so 13 minus 3 is what, 10, but bigger number is what, 13, so minus 10. Next, fourth one, x raised to 10 divided by x raised to 10. See, base is same and their power is also same, so x raised to 10 minus 10, it means x raised to what, 0. Have you understood? Question number 2, find the value. Question number 2 is what, find the value. -7 raised to 12 divided by -7 raised to 12. What we will do? -7, 12 minus 12. It means -7 raised to 0. So -7 raised to 0 is equals to what? We have learned if the power is 0, so answer will be only 1. Here we have to find out the value. See question number 2. 7 raised to 5 divided by 7 raised to 3. See, 7 base is same, so 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is what? 7 raised to 2. It means what? हमको यहाँ पे वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, इसलिए हम लोग इतना ही नहीं करेंगे, इसके आगे सॉल्व करना है. अगर वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने बोलेगा तो सिंप्लीफाई बोलेगा तो आपको इतना ही करना है. सो 7 raised to 2 मीन्स what? 7 multiply by 7. 7 7s are 49. See the third one. 4 upon 5 raised to 3 divided by 4 upon 5 raised to 2. So 4 upon 5 base is same and powers will be subtract. 3 minus 2. So 4 upon 5 raised to 1. 4 upon 5 raised to 1, it means answer is what? 4 upon 5 only. 4 upon 5. Clear? And this you have to do it by yourself, because one question I have to give you for homework. 4 raised to 7 divided by 4 raised to 5. Base is same, 4. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is what? 2. 4 raised to 2. But what is the value? It means 4 multiplied by 2 times and find it the answer. I hope you all have understood this much, and we have completed 3 practice sets, 26, 27 and 28. So thank you so much, students.